This is what my voice sounds like with all of our effects processing turned on, everything running in the background. It's all happening in real time, but this is what it's supposed to sound like. And this is what it sounds like with all of those effects processes turned off. So the reason it sounds so much better, one, there's some extra gain, some equalizer, but the main star of the show is Nvidia Broadcast. Nvidia Broadcast runs on RTX cards. It is their AI noise suppression model for voices. Formerly known as RTX Voice, this is their next generation, and it works so good at removing background noise from audio. Again, this is what it sounds like with it turned off, and it turns right back on in real time and just cuts the noise out. The really great thing about this is it not only works for your audio inputs, such as your microphones, you can also set it for the outputs on what you're hearing from other people. So they have this sample audio clip, and we're just gonna let it play.
This audio sample has both an unwanted echo and noise in the background. Normally, this message would be difficult to understand, but using Nvidia Broadcast's AI technology, we can clean up distracting background noise and echoes at the same time with room echo removal and noise removal.
Now that's by no means a bad audio clip, but it could be a lot better. So what we're going to do is we're going to flick both of these on, and we're going to pause and play and toggle them on and off as the audio goes.
This audio sample has both an unwanted echo and noise in the background. Normally, this message would be difficult to understand, but using Nvidia Broadcast's AI technology, we can clean up distracting background noise and echoes at the same time with room echo removal and noise removal.
And so that's just super impressive for something that happens in real time. RTX cards are absolutely amazing at doing this. You can still get Nvidia Voice if you have a GTX card, and it still works pretty good, but it's not quite on the same level. I highly recommend you install this, download it, get it implemented. It is a huge boost to your audio, and this way you're not having to set everything manually in OBS or in your other audio processing software. Why spend the time editing on the back end if you can do it right now live as you record it? I highly recommend you check out Nvidia Broadcast because it's just so much better than anything else out there. AMD does have a similar product and it still works really good. I don't have an AMD card right now, so I can't tell you what their latest features are, but for Nvidia, this is where it's at.